Sun in Aries, in the sixth house. Have you ever met someone who feels most alive when they're busy, solving problems, or taking on new challenges? Someone who naturally steps up at work, enjoys improving their skills, and likes to stay active? This is one of the themes of Sun in Aries, in the sixth house. In this video, we'll explore what happens when the Sun, the planet of identity and purpose, combines with Aries, the sign of courage and initiative, in the sixth house, the area of work, health, routines, and daily responsibilities. Let's break it down. The planet, the Sun. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity, your vitality, your confidence, and your life purpose. It symbolizes the qualities you're developing throughout your lifetime and the way you naturally express yourself. The Sun answers the question, how do I shine? By being true to myself. The sign, Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and is ruled by Mars. It represents courage, independence, confidence, leadership, and action. Aries enjoys taking initiative and doesn't like waiting around for someone else to make the first move. At its highest expression, Aries is bold, determined, and inspiring. At its lower expression, Aries can become impatient, impulsive, or frustrated when progress feels too slow. The house, the sixth house. The sixth house is the house of work and well-being. It represents daily routines, work, environment, service, health habits, productivity, skill, development, co-workers' responsibility. This house isn't just about having a job. It's about how you organize your life, care for your body, and improve yourself through consistent effort. The sixth house reminds us that success is often built through small daily actions. Putting it all together, when the Sun is in Aries, in the sixth house, your identity is closely connected to being productive, capable, and proactive. You often feel your best when you're working toward a goal, improving your skills, or finding practical solutions to everyday challenges. You don't usually enjoy sitting still for long. You like to stay engaged, take initiative, and feel that your efforts are making a difference. In the workplace, you may naturally take on leadership roles or become the person others rely on to get things moving. You enjoy environments where you have the freedom to make decisions and solve problems. Routine is important, but you also need enough variety to stay motivated. Your core power, your greatest strength, is your willingness to take action. When others hesitate, you're often ready to get started. You have the ability to motivate both yourself and the people around you. This placement can also bring a strong work ethic. You're often driven to improve, learn new skills, and become more efficient over time. Because Aries thrives on challenge, you're usually energized by goals that push you to grow. Your core challenge. One lesson for Sun in Aries in the sixth house is learning that productivity doesn't mean you have to be busy every moment of the day. You may feel restless when you're not accomplishing something, which can make it difficult to slow down and recharge. Another challenge is impatience. You may become frustrated with repetitive tasks, slow-moving projects, or co-workers who work at a different pace. Learning to balance speed with consistency is one of the keys to mastering this placement. Your health may also benefit from regular physical activity, stress management, and allowing yourself time to recover instead of always pushing forward. Your evolution. As this placement matures, you realize that true strength isn't measured by how much you can do in a single day. It's measured by the habits you build over time. The evolved Sun in Aries in the sixth house becomes someone who leads by example. Your discipline, initiative, and commitment inspire others to take better care of themselves, and pursue excellence in their own lives. You discover that lasting success comes from combining courage with consistency. Reflection. Questions. If you have Sun and Aries in the 6th house, ask yourself, do my daily habits support the life I'm trying to build? Am I working with purpose, or am I simply staying busy? And how can I challenge myself without pushing myself toward burnout? Your greatest achievements are built through the choices you make every single day. Remember, no single placement tells your entire story. Your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and the rest of your birth chart all add important layers to how this energy is expressed. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, every sign, and every house combination, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next astrology lesson. If you have Sun in Aries in the 6th house, I'd love to hear from you. Share your experience in the comments below and let us know how this placement has influenced your work, routines, or approach to health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.